Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I got this Murray Snowblower. Works perfectly, but we have an issue with the electric start. So we're going to diagnose it, see if we can repair it. If not, we'll have to look at replacing it. I think the easiest way that I'm going to take to get to electric start is remove the two bolts for the gas tank here, and I should be able to move it around a little bit. Move the two little screws right there. That part electric start, and then we're going to yank it off. I find it kind of relaxing. Small engines for the main part are very basic. No fancy electronics. Fuel tank should either come down. Yeah, there we go. Right. So I need to remove that fuel tank bracket, and you can see behind there'll be two Torxes on the front and then two on the bottom. Now those two top ones are slotted, so you may not need to remove them, but just loosen them. So we're gonna see. So I found the issue with the electric starter is that just reek. You can see it's all burnt up there right on the end. And that brush holder just got devastated. Putting the starter back in is just the opposite of how you took it out. I left the top two bolts in because the top of the starter is slotted. And it can be a little awkward trying to get it back in. I have to lift the fuel line up and then sneak the starter underneath. To get the starter in bolted down with the 4 bolts, there's the fuel tank mount you got to put back on. And then I'm just putting the electric start piece in at the top. Get the fuel tank on. Remember, it kind of sits in a slot at the bottom. 2 bolt holes at the top. Put the bolts in. Tighten them down. If everything's good, plug it in. Let the smoke out of the wires and see what happens. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys later.